Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into how to delete emails on Samsung Phone 2025. If you're tired of a cluttered inbox or just need to free up some storage space, this quick guide is perfect for you. Samsung phones, with their user-friendly interfaces, make this process a breeze, but let's walk through it step by step to ensure you get it right. First things first, grab your Samsung phone and unlock it. Head to your home screen and locate the email app, whether it's the default Samsung email app, Gmail, or another provider you've set up. Tap on it to open. Once inside, you'll see your inbox or the folder where your emails are stored. For this example, let's say we're in the main inbox. Now, to delete emails, long press on the email you want to remove. This will select it, and you might see a checkbox appear. If you want to delete multiple emails at once for efficiency, just keep tapping on the ones you don't need. It's a great way to clean up in bulk and save time. Once your emails are selected, look for the delete icon. It's usually a trash can symbol at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and a confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure. Go ahead and confirm to permanently delete them. Pro tip: some apps have a trash folder where deleted emails go temporarily. So if you accidentally delete something, you can recover it from there within a few days. After deletion, it's a good idea to check your storage settings. Go to Settings, Device Care, Storage to see how much space you've freed up. This is especially useful on newer Samsung models like the Galaxy S25 series, which emphasize efficient storage management. One common mistake to avoid is deleting emails without backing up important ones first. Always double-check before confirming. And remember, regularly managing your emails can improve your phone's performance and keep your digital life organized. There you have it. That's how you delete emails on your Samsung phone in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.